What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Freedom to Explore. Today we are starting a journey from beautiful San Francisco.
We are doing a fun day trip to Big Sur, and we are here to give you the ultimate guide.
So today we have my brother and his girlfriend Tessa joining us. You guys, anything you want to say to the vlog?
What's up, y'all? What's up? We're out in Monterey. I'm excited to be here with my brother. Going back to my favorite place, Big Sur. It's our first time.
Yeah, so they're joining us from the East Coast, and like you said, we're excited to see Big Sur today. And the fog has passed,
yes,
so we're ready to go. But first off, first step you need to make 100% is going to get some sandwiches because there's no food once you get into the Big Sur region.
Hungry.
McKenna's hungry. We're stopping at Mundo's first to grab some sandwiches, so let's see what they got going on here. So this little hole-in-the-wall spot in Monterey is a definitely must-do because their menu is fat. They got so many things. The food here is absolutely incredible.
America, yeah, I know, right? God damn it.
So we just arrived to our first destination, Bigsby Bridge, which is one of the most notable parts of Big Sur. But as you can see in front of us, it is way too busy and also cloudy as hell. So I advise you to skip this first and come back later on, and hopefully it'll be less busy and a little less cloudy. And yeah, so we're gonna wait for this traffic to subside, and we'll try not to jump.
Traffic is one bus. And a lady in a
traffic
flag.
It was moving before.
It was moving just fine.
We got the unlucky nature of being right behind America. He looks a little old.
He does, yeah.
Looks like Einstein.
3 hours later.
So we just made to our first stop, which is really just anywhere on Big Sur, and the drive over here is just absolutely beautiful. Look at that view, that is crazy. That's literally someone's house right there. That's insane. First time seeing Big Sur, what are your thoughts so far? It's very windy.
It's so windy. No, it's beautiful though. I'm a little scared of this cliff because we could literally
Don't let your intrusive thoughts win, babe. Literally, like, look at this, like, that's crazy.
Yeah, no, it's cool. You can pretty much just like pull off wherever you think it like looks pretty and just post up. It's weird though because we stopped like maybe like 10 minutes ago and it was literally 50 degrees and like windy as shit. And now it's like 75 degrees and like beautiful. So
yeah, no wind. It was also really foggy before too, so it just, the weather here switches up really fast, but just drive like 5 minutes further and you'll have an absolutely stunning view. All right, so we've been standing here for a minute, and one thing I just noticed when I was looking at the distance over there is there's a house up there. Like a little A-frame house just overlooking both sides of this cliff. Like, that should be mine. This thing right here?
Yeah.
What is it?
Calculator. Pretty much, it's supposed to be really, really painful. One of like the highest just pain you can feel from a sting on the Smith's pain index. You kill a cow. So,
Oh,
yeah.
What are the odds?
That I touch it and let it sting me, 1 in 10. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1,
3.
4. Oh God.
I was gonna say 3. Next time, we'll get you. Hey. Get it. DJ MC. So we just made it to our second stop, Midway Falls, which is about an hour once you get into Big Sur, but it's so worth it. She's about to see it for the first time.
I'm excited.
So it's actually only a 0.25 mile hike from the actual like parking lot, so it's super easy to do. It's super quick. It's a good like stopping point. You can like see all the views on the way here, and then just turn around after this. Unimpressed.
great spot. I think the waterfall was beautiful, but I thought she was more beautiful. So.
Damn. Damn. That's crazy. Why you gonna do that to me?
That's tough.
She's 12 out of 10 beautiful. Honestly, I would take her over Mother Nature every day of the week. That's what I gotta say. Just like that, I am now in trouble for the rest of the week. So thank you, Drake. Appreciate it.
For what?
Nothing. It's fine. All right, so we just made it to our 4th stop, which is one of the most well-known here in Big Sur, Bigsby Bridge.
Chubby squirrel.
Dude, the rabbit squirrel was to play. Yo, this is crazy, my boy. Ah! Hang out, my boy. Come hang out. What's up, buddy? Oh! 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 So Bigsby Bridge is definitely one of the most notable places here. It is absolutely stunning on the coastline with the bridges and the arches and everything. But as you can probably tell from behind us, it is very busy. And when we came earlier, it was super foggy and super busy. So if that happens to you, just know, just come back on the way back around because there's only one way in, one way out. And hopefully you'll get a better time where better lighting, less fog, and less people. Except you can never avoid that. Whatever that was, you get that wherever you go with these two.
Yay! Finally food time.
Food time! So our final stop for the day is going to be in Carmel by the Sea. This little town is beautiful. It's got a lot of old heritage to it, and the little houses are cute. We're going to stop and get some sushi and hopefully some ice cream. Cheers!
Yum.
Cheers, baby.
Like, imagine that's your house and you can literally watch the sunset every single night right from like your couch.
With this ocean view and this sunset, every day.
These people know how lucky they are. Like,
They probably don't.
For real.
They probably don't. This doesn't even make sense, honestly.
Like every day I would just be staring outside basically.
And all of their blinds are closed.
Yeah, what?
Every last one of them.
Couldn't be me.
Couldn't be me. Well,
Except
I'll still take it. I'll still take it.
Well, we had a great day at Big Sur. Unfortunately, part of it was actually closed due to like a rock slide or something like that. So we didn't get to see everything that we wanted to see, but I mean, it's fine. It was still freaking beautiful and I'm really glad that we got to do it. And I highly, highly, highly recommend taking a day trip there if you're in San Francisco and have an extra day to spare.
Couldn't say it better, honestly. So with that, that's where we're gonna end today's video. I really hoped you liked what you saw today, got something out of it, and are able to plan your Big Sur trip and have a little fun like we did. So if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and give us a comment as well. What was your favorite part of the video? What was your favorite stop that we went to? And as always, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get a reminder every single time we post. FTX out.